Hey racers, let's learn the alphabet phonics using vehicles. Can you help me? Let's go!
A says
A is for airplane.
B says B.
B is for bus.
C says K.
C is for car.
D says D.
D is for dirt bike.
E says E.
E is for excavator.
F says F.
F is for fire engine.
G says G.
G is for garbage truck.
H says
H is for helicopter.
I says
I is for ice cream truck.
J says J.
J is for jet.
K says K.
K is for kayak.
L says L.
L is for locomotive.
M says
M is for motorcycle.
N says N.
N is for narrowboat.
O says O.
O is for ocean liner.
P says P.
P is for police car.
Q says Qu.
Q is for quad bike.
R says R.
R is for rocket.
S says S.
S is for scooter.
T says T.
T is for tractor.
U says U.
U is for unicycle.
V says V.
V is for van.
W says W.
W is for wagon.
X says X.
X is for x-ray truck.
Y says Y.
Y is for yacht.
Z says Z.
Z is for zeppelin. Thanks for doing the alphabet phonics with me. That was fun. See you around the tracks. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.